On the occasion of Akshaya Tritiya, Akshaya Tritiya means there is no damage to all your life. You are protected by the most auspicious occasion. If somebody has to get married on this day without any consultation, one can organize the marriage of any person. But about this, what we are talking is about how attainment, how siddhis can be achieved. That's called yoga. Yoga has 8 limbs. Ashtanga yoga. Yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, samadhi. Yama are the foundation of yoga. Ahimsa, satya, asti, aparigraha, brahmacharya. These are 5 basic sutras on which you can achieve and attain the success in your life. By observing, for example, Ahimsa, Gandhi could win the Britishers and achieve the independence by only one sutra, non-violence. Ahimsa, Ahimsa paramo dharma. In Jain Dharma, Ahimsa has a very Mahavir Swami also propagated the law of Ahimsa, which is very important. Similarly, if you want to attain some success in your life, please try to follow some of the fundamental sound foundations of yoga. Ahimsa, Satya. Satya is also very important. Truth. And Aste. Aste means not to steal, not to have anything without any asking anything. That is called Asteya. Aparigraha means not to accumulate too much wealth. If you need some money, please have it. If you need one house, please have it. If you are working in 2 places, in New York and India, if you want to stay in your house, you can buy it. But not that you should have 100 houses in Delhi, 100 houses in New York. That's not aparigraha. Aparigraha is very nice philosophy of yoga. Niyama means regularity in your work. First niyama is you should clean, shauch. When you clean your body, that's called shauch, means cleaning, sakshata. That is also very important for attaining nirvana, to attain dhyana. So if you want to attain swast, healthy life, you follow the niyama and puja, study, self-study, surrender to God, worship to God. And these are some of the foundations of niyama. Asanas are 8.4 million. Whatever number of species are there, whether it's crocodile, lion, tiger, elephant, peacock, frog, these are all species. But बड़े भाग मानस तन आया, सुर दुर्लभ सदग्रंथन गाया. बड़े भाग मानस तन आया, जो जस करस तस फल पाया. It is very important to understand that whatever actions we are performing, we attain the same gain. So, asana is yoni. Yoni means 8.4 million yonis exist in this world. But the body of human being is the most precious. Sura Durlabha. Even it is very difficult to, even Devata cannot attain this body. So asana is making your body stable. For example, I am sitting in Vajrasana. Vajrasana means your body become like Vajra, very strong. In Vajrasana you can have some upasanas which is called frog posture, Mandukasana. They are called frog posture, Mandukasana. Never try to make wrong asana. If you make like this, is wrong Mandukasana. Because frog has no neck. He cannot bend much. He will remain stable. And if you practice frog Mandukasana, what benefit you get? Your breathing rate is reduced to 1 in 3 minutes, 3 times in 1 minute instead of 15 times, which we are normally breathing every day. So that reduces your life like dog. Dog has the shortest lifespan. Frog has 125 years and crocodile has 500 years. But there is also a record that even human beings have lived 500 years. Devraha Baba, who was a famous Baba, who was practicing, but was he was practicing regular pranayama and Khechari Mudra, he could live 350 years. Patanjali is said to have lived 500 years. So frog posture, Mandukasana. So asana, then pratyahara. Pratyahara means discipline of senses. Yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahara. Pranayam is regulation of your breath, which I said. If you practice pranayama, your senses go to rest. They do not work. Because we have 5 senses of realization. Sense of sleep, senses of smell, sense of look, sense of touch, sense of taste. These are 5 important here. So senses of first taste, then smell, then look, eyes, then hear, and then it last is touch. So when you practice pranayama, the senses go to surrender. They do not work, so then your mind do not work. So what you can achieve? You can achieve pranayama pratyahara. Pratyahara means your senses do not work, so your mind is not working, so you are disciplined. This is the best thing to go to meditation. Pratyahara, then you make it dharana. Meditation can be of many types, but there are 2 basic meditations. One is savikalpa, with some gunatitam or nirvikalpa. If you want to study, you want to drive, you want to do some talk, and you do sagunatmak dhyanam. Dhyan se work, please, meditative mind. So dhyana is the most important. ध्यान करे सब देवी देवा, ध्यान करे सो पावे मेवा. परमात्मा से जुड़ना है तो ध्यान मेडिटेशन करिए. मेडिटेशन की सिंपल टेक्निक्स there are many, but I am teaching you very simple. You can sit in Sukhasana, or you sit in Vajrasana, or you can sit in Padmasana. You might be thinking about why this crazy man every day he talks of dhyan, he talks about yoga, he talks about meditation, he talks about food. I said to you, it is difficult, it is rare of the rarest to get a human body. Human body can be very helpful to attain nirvana. This can be the last of the all 8.4 million species. So my aim is to go to meditation. How to meditate? Best thing is to inhale from your nose and retain the breath and gradually exhale. Om. 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 After that, you pray to God inside you and outside in any form, in Sakara, Rupa, or in Nirvikara, and then you rub and create the energy and keep your eyes relaxed. Then do on your face, then clap. अरे समझ में नहीं आता क्या? हैं? अरे चुप हो जाओ ना, बाद में करना. समझ नहीं आता क्या? बोल सियापति रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. आज के पूर्ण आनंद की जय. सब साधकों की जय. देने वालों की जय, ना देने वालों की जय, कभी कभी देने वालों की जय. भारत माता की जय, गौ माता की जय, गंगा मैया की जय, सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय. समस्त अवतारों की जय, कलकी भगवान की जय, जो देश का ही भला, बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की जय। अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो कृपया हमें कॉल करिए 9811114180, 8826612626, 7290901889, 2228 GTV मेट्रो गेट 2, दिल्ली 9 एंड कल की बालाजी धाम में ओके थैंक यू।